Alessio. Today is Tuesday the 28th of September, of course, and today we're going to analyze, as always, two stocks within the ARK KV ETF Innovation, and we'll see what opportunity they present. So first stock is Zscaler Inc. Ticker symbol, as you can see in the chart, is ZS, and this is a daily chart. So basically, if I zoom out so I can take you to see the whole count, basically after 1, 2, I see up in 3, down in 4, and then possibly, and now I think either we put wave 5 here, which is possible, or we pretend to wait for a bit more downside. Perhaps it could just be an anti-diagonal into wave 5, I don't know. So either 5 here, or we expect still upside into wave 5, minor 5. But what's interesting is that after this big move up, we are now starting to go down, and after 3 waves down, we also have 3 waves up. So most likely we will continue lower, and that is why I do prefer the downside on this stock. I'm not sure how much downside left in terms of space we have, but still we can still perhaps aim to equality, wave CNA, which would be around 248, and of course 250 we know is a very important level, so that also makes sense. And yeah, it's looking very interesting. Let's try to look at it from the 4-hour, and yeah, again, all I see is let me do this so they can show everywhere. So on the let's just go directly on the hourly. So I see 3 waves down, A, B, C, into wave A, and then again 3 waves up, A, B, C, perhaps with a triangle into wave B. So wave B ends right here, and wave C. So yeah, possibly now we could see a bit more downside to come. And yeah, that's it for Zscaler. If we go on to the next stock, which is UiPath, ticker symbol is PATH. This is a 4-hour chart instead, and here, rather than the counting the waves, which are pretty, let's say, of course it's a very new stock, so of course it's much harder for a logician to mark up new stocks, as we don't have much data to work with. So what is very interesting, I think, and once again this is a 4-hour, but I can also show you on the daily, is volume. This right here, this bars, this candles down here are volume. We can see how volume has been pretty quiet, pretty much the same since the end of April until a few weeks ago. Now volume is starting to wrap up. So that usually is a sign, we know, that a reversal is in place. So this means that more contracts, of course, have been exchanged, and usually, once again, that is a sign of a reversal in place when price keeps falling. And you can see how, just by looking at pure price action, see how price, especially here in this zone, this one, it's not moving as impulsively as before. For instance, this move down looks very impulsive. This is just like if it was losing momentum, and this plus volume perhaps is telling us that a reversal in place. So let's keep an eye on this as well. And I guess that was it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, let me know in the comments if you have anything to add, and I'll see you in the